Agay. Agay, paya ako, Gigi. Paya ako, Gigi. Bunal, Gigi. Paya ako, Gigi. Gigi, paya mi, Daddy. Agay, Daddy. Paya mi, Daddy.
What did you do to mommy?
Paya kuya, paya kuya. Paya kuya.
Why?
Paya.
Why me?
Paya kuya, paya kuya.
Why me?
Paya kuya now.
Ay, sakit.
Kuya, let's paya sisi. Banga! Agay! Okay. Da. Da. Okay. Paya kuya.
What did the note said?
It says you cannot go to grade 2.
Oh, I forgot to tell you I need to enroll.
That's why you cannot enroll because you cannot move to grade 2. Paya! Paya, baby!
It's okay.